and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. And what have we got for you today? Well, we've got a new DeAgostini collection. And this is the Legends of Ferrari F1 die-cast 1/24th scale model collection. And it's from our wonderful folks over at DeAgostini, folks. So if you want this collection, want to start collecting, click the link, head over to the DeAgostini website, and you yourself can have your very own Ferrari collection going, folks. So what have we got in this collection then? It says here, collect the most legendary cars of Formula One's most prestigious team. As the final cars take position, all eyes point to the grid. A deceptive calm takes hold. And then the first lights appear. Yeah. And the magic starts. A small pause and then the lights go out. Charles Leclerc, Michael Schumacher, Kimi Raikkonen, Fernando Alonso, Alain Prost, Niki Lauda, Gilles Villeneuve, Nigel Mansell. Some of the greatest drivers in Formula One made history at the wheels of their bright red machines. And now with this exclusive collection, you can get your hands on a series of 1/24th scale models of some of the greatest F1 Ferrari cars of all time. The models are worthy of any self-respecting collector and the most enthusiastic Ferrari fans. Yes, folks. It's something about F1. F1 without Ferrari is like, yeah. It's just, yeah, it's not happening. And as you can see there, there's some absolute gorgeous examples. One that sticks out for me straight away is Jose Frelain Gonzalez 1951 Ferrari front engine, folks. Yeah. And then obviously, bless him, Gilles Villeneuve, his 1979 Ferrari 312 T4. Niki Lauda's 312T there. Again, I remember these cars from my childhood, not the 1950s. I just thought I'd clarify that. But certainly I can remember Lauda, Villeneuve, Schumacher, Sainz, Fernando Alonso there, right up to Charles Leclerc. But I don't know about you, but here's the thing you notice, and I've noticed it with my F1 collection over the years. Look at the wheelbase of Gilles Villeneuve's Ferrari compared to Leclerc's modern one. Look how long they are. Now, I know they've got to accommodate battery packs and things like that, but I don't know, these cars just had that look to them, don't they? Carlos Sainz there is 2022 Ferrari. Yeah. So, first models, it says here, F1 75, 2022, Charles Leclerc. You got the F1 2000 for Michael Schumacher. 2012 Ferrari F 2012 Fernando Alonso. 312T for Niki Lauda. SF 71H 2018 for Kimi Raikkonen. Was that his championship winning year? Can't remember. 312T for 79 Gilles Villeneuve. SF 1000 from 2020 Charles Leclerc. F2002 Rubens Barrichello. Oh, Rubens, bless him, great team player. SF21 from Leclerc, and the 2003 GA for Michael Schumacher. But again, it's going to let you see the difference in technology back from the days of aluminium monocoques and things, or magnesium, right away through the carbon fibre survival cells. Gives you a rough preface there of the details you get, and obviously you get some exclusive freebies, official cups, caps, t-shirts, etc. You've got a premium offer there. You've got some rare variants that they're going to add to the collection as well, and if you pay with PayPal you get a crash helmet replica, there you go, of the helmet Michael Schumacher wore during the 2002 season when he won his record equaling 5th championship at the time. We've also got a magazine for you, folks, so we'll have a quick shufty through that. This is all about the Charles Leclerc Ferrari that I'm about to show you. They come pre-assembled, so it's a part work with a difference, but you're actually getting to see the finished vehicle straight away. And again, the scale modelers out there will probably go around and just do a little bit of fettling. It says here, the design of Ferrari's F1 car for 2022 was a great success on the part of the Maranello engineers. The car, with an attractive shape, elegant and curvaceous at the same time, had a somewhat mischievous touch. The chosen colour scheme was a nod to the 1980s and 90s and had a remarkable performance, the result of intelligent interpretation of the new technical regulations in Formula One. And yeah, a few teams got left with their trousers around their ankles, didn't they, when the regs changed? And Ferrari, I don't think have done bad. I think they're a sleeping giant. I think they got a really good, vibrant driver lineup. And I think with old Fred Vasseur there, I've got a feeling in me water. Don't know why, but world champion Charles Leclerc, why not? We're talking here about the different cars. Regulatory change was the larger 18-inch wheels came in. Yes, they got rid of the big old fat tyres and brought in standardised rims. So yeah. But yeah, I do like the Ferraris. There's something iconic about the brand. The Tifosi are second to none for passion. I know a couple that are passionate. Sergeant Bones springs to mind, a good friend of mine, and PJ. Huge Ferrari fans, and Sarah Jane as well. So yeah, there's some different briefings on the car. It's all the specifications there. The lithium-ion battery pack, 8 gears with reverse, semi-automatic quick shift controls. This is on about Charles Leclerc, a Monegasque driver, found a worthy racing partner in the F1 75, and I think he's really getting to feel that Ferrari now. I think he's beginning to get it, and he's got the makings of a multiple world champion, this young fella. So I'm going to be watching him avidly over the next few years. Kind of would like to see Lando Norris drive for Ferrari as well. I think that would be a nice pairing, Leclerc and Lando. Oh, yeah. Anyway, some bits and bobs there. Leclerc there going through some information there, different photos of the Ferrari. Give this a read, folks. You've got a profile there of their technical director, chassis and aerodynamics, Enrico Cardelli. And yeah, there's an evocative photo there of Cota, the Ferrari coming up over the top of the hill there. It's just an iconic scene, isn't it? Is that Cota? Yeah, in Austin, Texas, yeah. Because it's flag of Texas car. So yeah, so that's the magazine done. I think, like me, you're looking forward to seeing the car, aren't you? So let's get the Ferrari out. It comes in a nice protective plastic packaging, as well as in a display case as well, folks, which is great for me. So I'm just going to slice the packaging so that we can have a lookykins at what you're getting inside there, folks, because there you go, folks. Look at that, absolutely spectacular. So yeah, we've got a bit of tape on each end there, so we can remove it from its plastic bubble if needed. So let's have a lookykins. Let's see whether we can just pop this out of there. And underneath there, Ferrari official product. It's officially licensed, folks. So I'll just remove this from its case, purely so that I can remove the plastic inner shell. There you go. And then we can cut that off of there, like so, and free that up nicely. There you go. So we don't need that. That's all packaging. So it comes with its own display case, as you can see. Let's just lose the screws for a minute. Nice and sturdy, so I'll be able to stack them up on my display shelf. So just put that to one side, and then we can have a look at the Ferrari itself. Now look at that, folks. What a beautiful, beautiful model. Shows you all the detail, and look at that. The engineering that must go into these cars is phenomenal. There's the underside of the floor there, all the different bits and pieces going on there. But it's just looking at that and seeing what must be going into these Formula One cars on track. But yeah, absolutely stunning example of it. It's a nice bit of weight to it, but they've really captured it. They really have. Absolutely stunning. And you've got all your aerials and communications devices, your vents and everything. Absolutely beautiful. 24th scale. And yeah, I think that would look mint on any of your shelves, to be quite honest with you. There's the Ferrari tyres on there. Yeah, look at that. Stunning. You've got all your cockpit detail there. You can look inside, you can see the LCD, all the buttons on the steering wheel, everything on the halo is correct, all your decals are on there. Absolute beautiful example, that, I must admit. Very, very impressive. And again, all the carbon detail there on the floor areas. You've got your floor spars, you got your little eyebrows on the front wheels. Yeah, honestly, that is a stunning representation. That beautiful, beautiful model. And again, there's a nice collection of these. So yeah, all the underside, all carbon, front wing detail, all up through the diffuser there, folks. Oh, and you know you want me to. Yeah, that is going to be a stunning piece in your collection, folks, isn't it? And yeah, I don't think you'll go wrong with that. I will keep them in their display cases because I'd want to preserve them as best we can. But there you go, folks. That is the Leclerc Ferrari F175. Comes in its own display case, as we saw earlier, which is nice. Keeps the vehicle nice and secure, so I'll secure that to the case once I've finished the video. I don't think you'll be disappointed with that, folks. So if you'd like to add one of these to your collection, head over, click this link, right along there, pop over to DeAgostini and start yourself a subscription to the legends of Ferrari Formula One. I don't think you'll be disappointed. I certainly am not. I want to now go off and do major brum brum noises and number 11s and donuts on my cutting mat. So I may be gone some time, folks. Until the next time you see me, stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you for the next issue of the Legends of F1 Ferrari. Get hold of that. Bye-bye for now.